Humans have always wondered about life. We ask a fundamental question: why do we age? Why must our lives end? This question is as old as humanity. It drives our curiosity. It fuels our search for answers. We seek to understand this process, this deep, innate biological limit. It is a profound enigma. The desire for a longer life is ancient. Many cultures tell stories of immortality. They dream of endless youth. Yet biology presents a different reality. Our lifespans are finite. We experience growth, then decline. This cycle seems inevitable. Understanding this contrast is key. It helps us frame our modern quest, a quest for healthier, longer lives. Aging is not a single event. It does not happen overnight. Instead, it is a gradual accumulation. Tiny changes happen constantly. These changes occur within our cells. Over years, they become noticeable. We are now beginning to grasp these mechanisms. Science is peeling back the layers. The mystery is slowly being solved. Understanding is the first crucial step. Why is this understanding so vital? Because knowing why we age is critical. It is the foundation for intervention. If we know the causes, we can act. We can develop strategies. We can aim to slow the process, perhaps even reverse some aspects. This knowledge empowers our future. It transforms aging from fate to challenge, a challenge science is ready to meet. Our bodies experience constant wear. This is cumulative damage. It happens at the cellular level. Tiny injuries add up over decades. Think of it like a machine. Small parts wear out slowly. Eventually, the entire system suffers. This damage affects our DNA. It impacts our proteins and cells. This is a core driver of aging. Stress and inflammation play large roles. Chronic stress is a silent attacker. It releases harmful chemicals. These chemicals damage our cells. Low-grade inflammation is similar. It smolders within our bodies. This constant irritation accelerates aging. Both are like rust on metal. They slowly degrade our health. Managing them is very important. Our bodies also produce waste. Metabolic processes are essential for life, but they create byproducts. These are metabolic wastes. Over time, these can accumulate. If not cleared efficiently, they cause problems. They can impair how our cells work. This buildup contributes to dysfunction. It is another way time weighs on us. Efficient waste removal is crucial. Telomeres are like protective caps. They sit at the ends of our chromosomes. Each time a cell divides, telomeres shorten. This shortening acts as a biological clock. It limits cell division capacity. Shorter telomeres are linked to aging. They signal cellular senescence. This means cells stop dividing. Understanding telomeres opened new doors. It showed a measurable aspect of aging. Science is now making breakthroughs. We are finding ways to intervene. Telomere restoration is one such area. Researchers are exploring methods. They aim to lengthen telomeres. This could potentially extend cell lifespan. It might rejuvenate older cells. Imagine resetting that biological clock. This holds immense promise. It is a direct counter to a key aging mechanism. Stem cell therapies offer another path. Stem cells are remarkable. They are like the body's master cells. They can develop into many cell types. This means they can replace damaged cells. They offer hope for tissue regeneration. Organs affected by age could be repaired. This is like having biological spare parts. It could restore youthful function. Research in this field is advancing rapidly. CRISPR is a powerful gene editing tool. It allows scientists to make precise changes. They can edit our DNA. This means we could correct genetic errors. Some genes are linked to aging. Others are linked to age-related diseases. CRISPR might fix these problematic genes. It offers a way to rewrite our predispositions. The potential is truly transformative, but it also raises ethical questions. These advances signal a major shift. Science is no longer just observing aging. We are not merely describing it. Now we are aiming to modify it. We are developing tools to intervene. The goal is to actively manage the aging process. This is a proactive approach. It moves beyond simply treating symptoms. It targets the root causes of aging. A new era of medicine is dawning. Ancient cultures dreamed of eternal life. They sought elixirs of immortality. These were often magical potions or mythical fountains of youth. These quests reflect a deep human desire, a desire to overcome mortality. These ancient elixirs were speculative. They were based on hope, not science. They represent our earliest attempts to understand and conquer aging. Modern research shares a similar goal. We still seek longer, healthier lives. But our methods are vastly different. We rely on rigorous scientific investigation, we study cellular mechanisms, we conduct controlled experiments. The shift is from myth to methodology, from magical thinking to data-driven discovery. Ancient dreams are now pursued with the powerful tools of modern science. Aging is an accumulation of damage. We have discussed its various forms. This understanding is empowering. It suggests aging can be managed. It is not an unchangeable fate. With the right tools and knowledge, we can act. We can slow down the accumulation. We might even reverse some existing damage. New medical tools are emerging. They offer tangible hope for mitigation. The future of medicine is changing. It is moving beyond treating disease. The focus is shifting. It is shifting towards restoring vitality. This means enhancing health span, not just extending lifespan. We want more healthy, vibrant years. The goal is to maintain youthfulness, to prevent the decline associated with age. This is the new frontier: proactive vitality.